Many people are trying to lose weight. They are looking for healthy food choices. Could oatmeal be one of them? Oatmeal has a reputation for being healthy, but is it good for weight loss? Let's find out. Oatmeal can be a great addition to a weight loss diet. It is packed with nutrients, and it has special properties that can help you feel full and satisfied. Keep reading to learn more. Oatmeal is more than just a breakfast staple. It is a nutritional powerhouse, packed with essential nutrients. Oatmeal is a good source of complex carbohydrates. These give you sustained energy throughout the day. Oatmeal is also rich in dietary fiber. Fiber is important for digestion and regularity. And oatmeal contains essential vitamins and minerals. These include B vitamins, iron, and magnesium. These nutrients are important for overall health and well-being. Oatmeal can be a valuable ally in your weight loss journey. One reason is that oatmeal is very filling. It can help you feel satisfied after eating it. This can prevent overeating later on. The secret weapon in oatmeal is a type of fiber called beta-glucan. Beta-glucan helps you feel full. It also slows down digestion. This means you stay satisfied for longer. Studies have shown that people who eat oatmeal regularly tend to have lower body weight. When it comes to oatmeal, not all varieties are created equal. Each type of oatmeal offers different nutritional benefits and can impact your health in various ways. You'll find different types of oatmeal at the grocery store. These include steel-cut oats, rolled oats, quick oats, and instant oats. Each type has its own unique texture, cooking time, and nutritional profile. Steel-cut oats are the least processed, retaining most of their natural fiber and nutrients. Rolled oats are slightly more processed but still offer a good amount of fiber and nutrients. For maximum weight loss benefits, choose steel-cut or rolled oats. These types of oats are digested more slowly, keeping you fuller for longer and helping to stabilize blood sugar levels. These are less processed, and they contain more fiber. This high fiber content aids in digestion and can help lower cholesterol levels. Instant oats, on the other hand, are more processed. They are pre-cooked and then dried, which makes them quicker to prepare but also strips away some of their nutritional value. They can spike your blood sugar levels due to their higher glycemic index. This rapid increase in blood sugar can lead to energy crashes and increased hunger. This can lead to cravings and weight gain. Therefore, it's important to choose the right type of oatmeal to support your health and weight loss goals. Making oatmeal part of your diet is easy and delicious. Oatmeal is a versatile dish that can be customized to suit your taste and nutritional needs. Whether you prefer it sweet or savory, there are endless possibilities to explore. You can enjoy a warm bowl of oatmeal for breakfast or have it as a snack. It's a great way to start your day with a nutritious meal or to keep your energy levels up throughout the day. But how can you make your oatmeal both healthy and tasty? The key is to choose the right ingredients and to be creative with your toppings. First, choose steel-cut or rolled oats. These types of oats are less processed than instant oats, which means they retain more of their natural nutrients and have a lower glycemic index. These are the most nutritious options. They provide a good source of fiber, which can help with digestion and keep you feeling full longer. Second, skip the added sugar. While it might be tempting to sweeten your oatmeal with sugar, it's better to avoid it to keep your meal healthy. Instead, sweeten your oatmeal naturally. You can use fresh or frozen fruit, which adds natural sweetness and extra nutrients. Use fresh or frozen fruit, a drizzle of honey, or even a bit of maple syrup for a natural sweet touch, or a sprinkle of cinnamon. Spices like cinnamon not only add flavor but also have health benefits, such as anti-inflammatory properties. Finally, boost the protein content. Adding protein to your oatmeal can make it a more balanced meal and help keep you full longer. Add a scoop of protein powder, which can be easily mixed in and comes in various flavors to complement your oatmeal. A dollop of Greek yogurt, which adds creaminess and a tangy flavor, along with probiotics that are good for your gut health, or a handful of nuts or seeds. These add a satisfying crunch and are packed with healthy fats, protein, and fiber. By following these tips, you can create a bowl of oatmeal that is not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients to fuel your day. Enjoy experimenting with different combinations to find your perfect bowl. Oatmeal is not just good for weight loss. It's a versatile food that can be enjoyed in many different ways. From a simple breakfast to a hearty snack, it offers a range of other health benefits. For instance, it's packed with essential nutrients like vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that your body needs to function optimally. Oatmeal is good for your heart. Studies have shown that regular consumption of oatmeal can reduce the risk of heart disease. The beta-glucan in oatmeal can help lower cholesterol levels. This soluble fiber forms a gel-like substance in the gut, which binds to cholesterol-rich bile acids and removes them from the body. Oatmeal is also good for your gut. The fiber content in oatmeal acts as a prebiotic, promoting the growth of healthy bacteria in your digestive tract. The fiber in oatmeal helps keep your digestive system running smoothly. It can prevent constipation and promote regular bowel movements. And oatmeal can help regulate your blood sugar levels. The complex carbohydrates in oatmeal are digested slowly, which helps maintain steady blood sugar levels. This is important for managing diabetes. Consuming oatmeal can help prevent spikes in blood sugar, making it a great option for those with diabetes or at risk of developing it. Adding oatmeal to your diet is a simple yet powerful way to improve your health. Whether you enjoy it sweet or savory, oatmeal is a delicious and nutritious choice that can benefit your overall well-being. So, is oatmeal good for weight loss? Absolutely. Oatmeal is a nutritious and delicious food. It can help you feel full and satisfied. It can also aid in weight management. What are your favorite ways to enjoy oatmeal? Share your thoughts and recipes in the comments below, and feel free to ask any questions you might have about oatmeal and weight loss. And before you go, thank you so much for watching our video, and please make sure to subscribe to our channel. If you want to detox from sugar and learn how to curb your sugar cravings, watch the video on your screen next.